play again? Wait. I can't go against it. Oh, I'll play with you. Alright. Well, if not, then... Mark, we're gonna play doubles. Yeah. Nah, I think it was... What happened?
Oh, I wanna play singles?
What? Oh, yeah.
You're gonna play me. No, you're gonna play Angbo.
What? Yeah, not like that.
Yeah,
What?
on singles.
I'm playing ranked.
You did?
Against their rank? Hell no.
Why, you seen how he plays, right?
Yeah.
Better than me.
No, because I've always gone against rank number 1.
Huh?
I went against VB. I went against the guy from Claremont.
Did you beat the guy though?
From Claremont?
Yeah.
That was close. We didn't finish rank though.
Oh. Watch their play. Watch these girls.
That's where you're rank. Oh. No, 1 is rank 21. Okay. Oh, that's like blackjack.
Nice shot, Rich!
Oh no, I was looking over there.
No, I want to play with this rank.
Whose racket is that?
RJ's? I'm fine.
That ain't RJ's.
Yeah, it is.
That's Coach Belanga's.
Not when he said it was his.
So you can buy it. What if I sold you a racket?
How much?
$239.
Hell no, you're braised. I heard what you were trying to do to Ryu. You were trying to sell his racket.
Who?
You were trying to sell that racket to Ryu too.
No, actually, I'm telling her the price of how I got what the price was. She wants to buy it.
If I want
Not
to buy
mine,
Oh.
but from a store.
Do you have any other rackets I can buy?
Nice shot, Rach. Good job, ma'am, sir. Really? She went to tie her shoe?